this lesson, we're going to review the Randbetween formula. The Randbetween formula is used to insert random numeric metrics or values according to your specification between a bottom and top threshold. Note that every time you refresh the screen, the data will randomize. Therefore, if you're looking to randomize data once and then store it, the best practice is to randomize the data, copy it, and paste special values somewhere else in the worksheet. So this is a similar formula to the RAND formula, R-A-N-D. The only difference is you're able to apply thresholds for the Randbetween formula, and there are no thresholds for the RAND formula. Let's take a look at the formula in greater detail and then jump into an example. So the formula is comprised of two syntax. First, there's the bottom threshold and there's the top threshold. So we just type equals Randbetween, open parentheses, bottom, comma, top. So for the bottom part of the syntax, that's the minimum value of the requirement. The top syntax is the maximum value of the requirement. So you can set boundaries on the numerical values that you want to be returned by the Randbetween formula. Let's take a look at an example. In our example, we're going to insert random values between 20,000 and 50,000. We're going to do that in the data table below. So the formula is equal to Randbetween 20,000, 50,000. When we do that, we can copy that throughout the entire data table, and when we press enter, it randomizes the data throughout the entire table. If we were to select a cell outside of the table and then press enter, it's also going to randomize the data and refresh it again and keep it in a random sequence. So the best practice is, if you want to store the data, just highlight it, copy it, and then paste special values in a separate area within your worksheet so that you can have that information as a random subset of data that you can later reference to. If I were to undo that and take a look at the Randbetween formula, I put in 20,000, 50,000. As you can see on screen here, all of the data is random data between 20,000 and 50,000 values. You can set the parameters to the numerical values as a bottom and top threshold as you see fit or as you'd prefer, but I just provide one example of 20,000 and 50,000 in this case. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.